ร้อนนะ Hi boys and girls, aunties and uncle. Welcome back to my channel. My name is CK. My channel is Psychology. Back I am in Bangkok, and for this video, I'm gonna take you to one of the latest attraction here in Bangkok, which is an electrical water taxi ride. It's the last few days of the free taxi ride, so I am going to take advantage of that. Because starting from March, it will no longer be free and they'll be charging 60 baht. But before going there, we're gonna have lunch. I'm in Punawiti area and I'm gonna show you my favorite place for lunch here in Punawiti. I seriously have to do an entire video of this shop because they cook some of the most delicious Thai food I know. This shop has absolutely no name and I just stumbled across one day when I was walking across the street. True Digital Mall is right here in Punawiti, and here is the shop. It's called J Lab. Everything from that kitchen is heavenly. Wow. อร่อย ผัดซีอิ๊วหมู ผัดซีor ผักซีอิ๊วหมู So for my lunch, this is the ผักซีอิ๊วหมู It's basically chao fan with the pork. เจ้าของเท่าไหร่นะนี้60 บาท 50 This is 50 baht. อร่อยเกินไป The เส้นใหญ่ is very thick and it's very flavorful and the veggies are super fresh. This is 60. This is 60 baht. Suki soup with เส้นเล็ก right? มีวุ้นเส้น with the basically glass noodle. Chicken, right? And with chicken. Oh, this is nice. It's still very, very hot. บ้านเป็นขนมกุ้ง And then ไข่เจียวกุ้งสับ ไข่เจียวกุ้งสับ with กุ้ง inside. Yeah. So this is fried omelette with fried omelette with prawns with shrimp. 60 baht. The omelette alone, I can eat every day. Did you enjoy the lunch? Yeah. We came here very early because the shop gets very, very busy. They open 6:30 to 4:30 every day except Sunday. Lat is the shop name. Everything is just incredible here. But now we head to Hua Lamphong to take the water taxi ride. I'm so full. I need to walk and walk and walk, but I'll be sitting on a water taxi. Anyway, let's go to Hua Lamphong now from Punawiti. The underground train is absolutely packed. This is the blue line. One tip is to use your credit card for the blue line, but you cannot use your credit card on the phone. You need a physical card to get through the automated gate. That's the fastest way because the ticket counter is packed to the max. Hua Lamphong, we made it, changing in Asok. So we're now heading to exit 2 to go to the canal area to catch the taxi. Rain! ฝนตก but หมดแล้ว Rain! แต่ไม่ได้ตกในกรุงเทพ There's rain. Let's go to the pier here. Oh, it started drizzling, but we're already at the canal, just right across from Hua Lamphong. เข้าล้อถ้าเรือเลยนะเดี๋ยวเวลาครับแต่เขาจะจอดไม่จอด Confusion because there's only one boat. You need to use the app to call. One boat just left. It's a bit of a confusion, but they're cleaning up the boat now so that we can take this boat out. So again, you have to use the MoveMe apps to call the boat. Only then it activates. So at the moment, there's only one boat, but we spoke to the staff. The staff was quite nice. I mean, they were really concerned and then they came out to address the problem. Now they're cleaning they're cleaning the boat so that we can leave from Kuala Lumpur. If you're looking to upgrade your vacation wardrobe or just bring that easygoing resort vibe to your everyday summer, you need to check out our brand Banyan Thai. Think those perfect bold floral shirts, comfortable casual short that makes you look and feel great. The best part, we ship free fast directly to the United States, Canada, and Australia through our Amazon store. For you, our exclusive promo code Banyan Thai, you'll get 10% off your entire order when you buy any 2 items and 15% off when you grab any 4. The link is in the description below. Enjoy that easy living style with Banyan Thai. Oh, finally the taxi. Finally on the boat, we tried the apps several times. After half an hour of confusion, luckily with the help of emergency staff, we are finally on our way for the newly launched electric water taxi service in Bangkok. The official name of this electric taxi route is called Ladlor Long Krung route. This ride offers a unique and sustainable way to explore the city's historical heart. This pilot project connects 2 of Bangkok's oldest canal, passing through areas rich in cultural and daily life. It is a key government initiative to tackle urban challenges while promoting green tourism. The electric taxi service operates along the Bang Lamphu Canal and the Ong Ang Canal. These 2 canals are located in the Phra Nakhon district, the historic core of Bangkok on Ratanakhon Island. The route features 14 piers, creating a new corridor for exploration that connects major transportation hub with historic district, local communities, and residential areas. We started off our journey at Kuala Lumpur Pier, which you can reach by the MRT subway system. We are traversing through Klong Padong Krung Kasem Canal. This canal passes by notable landmarks such as the Tewat Market, a vibrant fresh market that maintains a classic Bangkok charm. The government has been taking a lot of effort in restoring these canals. The route offers views of centuries-old architecture, including Phra Sumen Fort and Makahan Fort, which are remnants of the old city wall. You can also see temples like Wat Bomong Niwet. The area around Ong Ang Canal has been revitalized into a creative district with street art and public spaces. The route includes stops like Ban Pan Thom, a historical neighborhood known for its traditional silversmith community, and Trok Ama, a 200-year-old Chinese shop house turn hostel and cultural space. The service is designed to increase foot traffic to small businesses. It connects to bustling areas like Bang Lamphu near Khao San Road, the multicultural neighborhood near Chinatown, and local markets, offering passenger a glimpse into the everyday life of Riverside community. This is a special route because it offers a glimpse into the past. For century, Bangkok's canal were the city's main highway. These routes allowed passengers to experience the city from its original wet perspective, connecting a way of life that has existed for generations. The route also connects us with the hidden gems of Bangkok. Unlike the chaotic Chao Phraya express boat or the canal taxi on Siam Sep, this new service is specifically designed to link together a series of culturally significant but often overlooked neighborhoods, creative spaces, and historical landmarks, creating a cohesive cultural tourism corridor. The switch to electric boat is a game changer for the experience. There are practically no engine smell and noise. This quiet, fume-free travel allows for a more peaceful and intimate exploration of the narrow canal, contrasting sharply with the loud, diesel-fumed traditional boats that we're so familiar with. This route is designed to create a beautiful, sustainable, and tourism experience that highlight local identity and generate incomes for communities. By connecting cultural attraction, the service encourages deeper, more responsible travel, benefits local economies, and preserves heritage. But all along you will see life in Bangkok passing you by quietly. Just so relaxed way to. There's no other tourist boat. This is the only one, and this is not even a tourist route, but you don't see other tourists passing by, and it's quiet, the authentic part of Bangkok. We ended up in Thewarat Road. That was quite a very interesting ride. It was very quiet. We packed everybody together. There were 8 of us. There was one YouTuber, there was a Dutch tourist, and there was local auntie, curious local tourists as well. They were very lucky to join us. We really called for the boat to come because apparently there's only one boat to come. But now I'm gonna bring you to a chiffon shop that's very famous for the chiffon bakery. Right in this area, Thewarat Market is this area. So they have the pandan, pai tơi, coffee, chocolate, vanilla, coffee jam, butter. อะไรนี้ Oh, this is just snack bar.
It is
Yeah. Signature เป็นอะไรนะ ฮะ pai tơi. So their signature is pandan pai tơi. So I'll try 1 pai tơi, 1 chocolate. It's very fluffy now. Very fluffy. Oh, really nice. Got the cream there. Good. Feel like it's very fluffy and very creamy. This is a very nice afternoon snack. And that's the chocolate. So good. The cream itself, I feel like it's the highlight. So chiffon bakery, the chiffon cake, a must-have. That's it for this video for our taxi boat ride. Share, like, subscribe, and buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com. Here are more videos of Bangkok, and support me also in my clothing line, Banyan Thai. Goodbye from now. I'll see you in my next video. Hope you get to experience the taxi ride also. Bye! เจอกัน